10 minutes.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh my God. I gotta take a picture.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
That's amazing.
I wondered what those hydraulics were for.
Holy cow.
That's
We
pretty
gotta
cool.
have it easy to work
Makes
on.
it a bit easier, doesn't it?
Well, I blew the transmission into
Holy
this thing
cow.
back in
That's really nice.
October, November. So I pulled it in the shop, ran the bed back a couple feet, tilted the cab out of the transmission goes on.
That's pretty cool. That's how you tilt it.
So you gotta be down here tuning it up right. Crap, I can't reach my keys.
You thought of everything. I feel like I can't reach my keys. I'm just turning it right over here.
That's pretty cool.
You just pulled it. So what's original? This was the original.
Just the body.
Just the body. This is all.
Body's good.
I'm not saying.
This part of the subframe is out of a Chevy motorhome, so I've got power steering, power disc brakes, all that
The
stuff.
Chevy motor.
Huh. That's pretty cool.